5 of the fastest dog breeds on the planet. Many dog breeds were bred to be working dogs that needed to be able to run quickly. Here are 5 of the fastest dog breeds. Jack Russell Terriers are most famous for being cute and loving, but they are also surprisingly quick. They have a lot of stamina and have a top speed of 30 miles per hour. The Whippet is a medium-sized dog that can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. The Afghan Hound's long legs allow them to run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. With a top speed of 42 miles per hour, the Saluki is the second fastest dog in the world. The Greyhound is the fastest dog in the world. These beautiful dogs can reach speeds of up